एक्चुअली ना मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ बट हिंदी में थोड़ा सा मेरा बहुत मिस्टेक आता है हिंदी में बात करने के लिए तो hello you people, beautiful people out there, welcome back to my channel. And for all those people who have come here for the first time, this is Zoya and I'm a blogger and I cover up a lot of lifestyle segment for you guys. If you people would like to enjoy my videos, I would request you to please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, which is In Space with Zoya, and that would encourage me to do some more videos and share some more information with you guys. Not wasting too much of time, I'll get on started with my video. My today's video is all about, I'm going to be comparing two primers. So I purchased two primers from purple.com and I'll show you how that looks like. I'll show you the demo of it also and compare to both which one stands out and which one's is the best choice. There is a small story behind it. I was just browsing through purple.com and I was actually in a search for a good primer for myself, and I came across this primer called as NY Bay, and I'm like, why this is so cheap? Let me go ahead, try this product and see that, because this is not too pricey, it was very cheap compared to other primers. And the kind of reviews also I was seeing, there were a lot of mixed reviews. So I went ahead, I purchased it, and to my surprise, I was in a very, very, very disappointing state of mind. This is what I have. Such a tiny piece. मुझे नहीं पता था कि NY Bay का 15 ग्राम लिखा है. 15 ग्राम इतना छोटा होगा मुझे नहीं पता था, as I wouldn't have ordered. Well, continuing what it says is that minimize pores, blends like a dream, hydrating in nature. अब अगर मैं बोलूँ तो हाइड्रेटिंग इन नेचर I cannot say because I'm not experiencing anything like that, but of course it gave me a smooth canvas to work on my foundation. It didn't cover up my fine lines, and I would want to show you. You can still see few fine lines. It didn't cover up my fine lines at all. So I would also tell you the price of it, which was it keeps fluctuating. I do not know whether it is demand supply kind of thing, but when I initially saw, the price of it was 157, then it changed to 139, and then it had included shipping charges. So मेरा total कुछ हो रहा था 188. So not bad. I can show you in a small little quantity. How is the texture? इसका texture, it is, see, I'll tell you something, it is not greasy, absorbed in your skin, and silicone based, so it will get absorbed in your skin, so you have to keep rubbing on your skin. और इसका texture अच्छा है, it is very good. After it is absorbed, you will feel it, there's a smooth layer on your skin, but it is very light. You will not feel anything heavy on your skin, and it is very smooth. It has a velvety finish, so you would be a little disappointed with the size of it. At the same time, it doesn't cover up your fine lines. Second product which I have is Stay Quirky. Now, Stay Quirky is a primer oil, and this is silicone based. Now, there is a difference between both. The texture, this is in a form of it's a liquid form. It's a complete liquid form. So if I'm going to be pouring it on my skin, so one side of my face I'm going to be covering up with NY Bay, and the other side of my face I'm going to be covering up with Stay Quirky. So it comes in a package like that. I was actually very happy to go for this product, but this product actually was so much in a demand that it got over, and I had to buy NY Bay. So they did restock this product, and finally I got got hands on this product. It comes, like I said, it comes in a packaging like this. I also have one more story with Stay Quirky, just like NY Bay. When I got this, it doesn't come with this kind of dropper. It comes with a black dropper, but the dropper just broke and I have to get it from one of my old products. So this is how the bottle looks like, and you can see it is very liquidy. I made a use of this as well, and let me tell you that it is too oily for an oily skin. However, see, both these products have advantages and disadvantages. However, you just have to, it is written that you need to have 2-3 drops, but I think you can work on with just 1 or 2 drops, because when you pour in, it is very running. It doesn't get absorbed in your skin. So, like I said, both of them have advantage and disadvantage. But I would like to speak about advantage of having NY Bay is that it gets absorbs in your skin, and people who are having an oily skin can make a use of it, because it gives you a matte base, and it gives you a beautiful canvas to work upon. It's like, I'll show you the demo where you will see that it is gliding on my skin, and it makes my skin very smooth, and it has a velvety kind of texture. And just an disadvantage is that it doesn't cover up my fine lines. And the disadvantage of Stay Quirky, it is too oily, but it again depends on the matter of fact that if people would want to have a dewy face, and dewy makeup kind of thing, then they can make a use of this primer oil. And but it is too oily for the oily skin. So if you would want to have that kind of look also, you need to just add 1 drop of it into your foundation or before your foundation, whichever way you want to. There's nothing else, there's no rule as such. So I'll just show you that how is the consistency of this product. Like I have already spoken to you that it almost looks like it is very liquidy, and see, it is very liquidy, just like water like. I'll just apply that and show it to you on the one side of my face. Probably I'll just see, it is so runny. And is very oily. See, just 1 drop have made my skin so oily. Just a drop. Yeah, see this. Just 1 drop have made my face so oily. So about oily skin, they really have to be very careful in case if you're buying. Otherwise, the product is good. Coming to NY Bay, hope my camera does justice. Okay, so I just put it here and show it to you. Here it is. So look at it. It is thick. The texture of it is thick and silicone-like face. Yeah. So compared to Stay Quirky, this is hydrating in nature. Coming to senses. And see, so one side I've made a use of NY Bay, and one side I've made a use of Stay Quirky. Then you can see how oily it looks, and this is actually got settled in my skin, and it is very velvety. It has a velvety finish, very smooth. Not come to know that you have applied some kind of if there is some layer on your skin. I would not say that NY Bay is a sad product. It has done some amount of work on my skin. So I can even work out a foundation for you, just to show you that how this reacts to a product. So I'll make a use of my favorite foundation, which is Wet n Wild foundation. I'm using Golden Beige in that. And my sponge, I got it from Miniso. It is so good. This product is so good, so soft. It actually makes you feel like when they test your body temperature, and that kind of machine, the instrument that goes in, it's just like that. So this is just for a video, guys. I am showing it to you, so I'm not going to be making a heavy use of a foundation. Just a bit of your catsy. and I just run this blender on my face. I've not put any concealer or stuff like that, so maybe you might find some amount of dark circles around my eye, but this is just to show you guys. On the video is on primer, so I wanted to show you that how this reacts on the foundation. So this is the NY Bay thing, and this is Stay Quirky. Okay, so like even with the foundation, it does bring in that oily stuff. So here you go. This is with NY Bay and this is with Stay Quirky. Of course, yes, if you compare both, again here, this side of it is very highlighting, right? Because and it does give you that hydrating kind of look, the dewy look. But of course, if you're going to be putting in, if you're going to be packing it with a powder, and then you'll start applying your other makeup, the eyeshadow and stuff like that, it will cover up. So at present, I would say that Stay Quirky is doing well, but only the disadvantage is it leaves an oil on your skin. It doesn't absorb in your skin completely, and with this, it gives you a matte effect. मैं recommend करूँगी कि आप दोनों भी ले सकते हो, but Stay Quirky, of course, is you'll see how it is reacting on my skin. थोड़ा सा hydration लग रहा है, and skin is glowing, and this side is looking little dull. But oily people can make a use of it. Yes. So that's it, guys. I mean, I hope that this video has given you some amount of information, and I have shared my experience with you of using NY Bay and Stay Quirky primer. So go ahead, you can make a choice for yourself. Looking at both the things, you can make a choice for yourself. ये दोनों primer में से आप चॉइस बना सकते हैं अपने लिए कि आप कौन सा प्राइमर चाहिए. मुझे तो दोनों प्राइमर अच्छे लगे हैं. बोथ हैव अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ रिजल्ट. आई विल मेक यूज ऑफ बोथ द प्रोडक्ट, बट ओनली ऑयली पीपल हैव टू बी लिटिल केयरफुल विद दिस Stay Quirky. That's it. And for fine lines, again, then you have to work on with your foundation. That's it for now. Well, guys, I will have to sign up for now, and I'll be coming up with more videos like that in the future. I would want you to like, share and subscribe my channel if you've liked my video. Then stay tuned. मिलते हैं next vlog में.